Crazy Chef back again. Today I'm gonna make for you the #1 Jamaican drink, Guinness Punch, otherwise called the bedroom bully. Stay tuned for the video. Guinness Punch, bedroom bully. So to make Guinness Punch, obviously you need Guinness, the #1 ingredient, because it's Guinness Punch. Then you need Irish mash. Then you need some form of malt beverage, which is, today we're using supplement. We're using raw peanuts, and this is the roots, the bedroom bully. And then you need, most important, sweetened condensed milk for Guinness Punch. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, share, like. So first thing we do is we put our peanuts in our blender. Then we put in our Irish mash inside our blender. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add all these ingredients and we're gonna blend, liquefy. We add quick oats to the blender. More, I give like a 1/4 cup. Then we add 2 supplement. We have a peanut supplement and a regular flavored vanilla supplement. So we're gonna put all these in our blender and then we're gonna blend. And don't forget, like the video, drop me a comment in the comment section, let me know what you think. So after I blend, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grate some fresh nutmeg. You need fresh nutmeg for this drink. That's one of the important spice of this drink. So I'm gonna grate some fresh nutmeg and then I'm gonna add my vanilla, add my condensed milk, and then I'm gonna blend again. So now I'm gonna add my bedroom bully. Yeah, now I'm gonna add my bedroom bully. And in Jamaica, they think this drink make you perform. Well, they don't think, they say like this drink make you perform better. So if you wanna perform better, you wanna drink this drink. So now we're adding our bedroom bully. And this is my special Yardman Tuesday. My special Yardman Tuesday video. So now we're blending in our bedroom bully. So the last thing we're gonna do is add, let's see how it tastes. It's coming along fine. Add some more condensed. So the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our Guinness last, because for some reason if you add the Guinness first, you run the risk of curdling the mixture. So you wanna always add your Guinness last. So now we're gonna blend again, get that condense. We're gonna whisk out that condense. So now now we've blended our mixture. It's time to go for our Irishman special. So our Irishman special is the Guinness. In Jamaica, they drink a lot of Guinness. That's called the Irishman special. So we add our Guinness, and we actually add more nutmeg, because nutmeg gives you that taste, that finesse. And Guinness punch is very popular in Jamaica. Very popular drink in Jamaica. Very, very popular drink in Jamaica. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna blend all that in. Blend. And after that, there's a lot of it in there too. So after we blend all that in, we're gonna give it a little taste test. We're gonna give it a little taste test after we blend all that in. Yeah, so now we're gonna put in our Guinness punch in my bowl. This is my fall. It's my fall mixing jug. It's pretty sexy, but sometimes you have to I like this mixing jug. So I use a wooden spoon and I just mix, so I get all that nutmeg and all that cinnamon and all that vanilla. So we just mix all that extra stuff in. And then now we're gonna give it a little taste test. Check it. Guinness punch. Yep. Let's give it another test. Woo! Guinness punch.
I have never had a liquid as good
Jamaican
as that
speciality.
in my life.